Today we will gonna talk about the culture. Then, starting with, ito mo na nililine us. Starting with Rina Umaidas.
I do.
Culture is a people way of life. Culture is an open school which encompasses beliefs, practices, norms, artifacts, symbols, knowledge, and everything that a person really learned in the member of society. First, the point of our culture in the 18th century.
Ang research na wala. Oo, saan ka na nasabot anak? Sige, proceed.
Starts with the alcohol exposure to another culture. Enculturation is the process of the learning or old culture. It is how you learn our tradition, values, beliefs, language, and norms from our family and society. This starts from childhood. For example, as Filipinos, we learn to say "o" and "opo," respect our elders, and practice piety. Enculturation is important because it shapes our identity and helps us understand how to behave in our community. And third culture shock is a symbol of enculturation and individuals who have stayed for a quite a good portion of their lives and foreign culture may be shocked by their birth culture once exposed to it again. These third culture shocks happen when a person who lived in another country for a long time returns to their original culture and feels shocked or uncomfortable. They will feel confused because they are already used to another culture. For example, a Filipino who lived abroad for many years might find it hard to adjust again to Filipino practices when they come back home. Lastly, the violet. Basta, tingnan siya sa PPT na violet na picture na dito ang enculturation. Enculturation focuses on learning and acquiring your own culture. It is essential for survival because it helps a person belong and function properly in their society.
So, this time I'm not gonna talk about characteristic of culture. So, have you ever observed what are the traditional clothes of the Philippines? Give me an example, Radilia, the traditional clothes of the Philippines.
Coach.
Traditional, Radilia. Very good, Filipiniana. What about the boy? Bakti, give me an example of traditional clothes of the
I
Philippines.
close. Barong. Ni. Toto ba?
Traditional clothes of the Philippines.
Barong.
Barong. Barong saya.
And what are the parang mga festivals na gina-celebrate sa Philippines kung sa give me example dyan? AJ.
Fiesta.
Vista. Festival na gina-celebrate sa Philippines. AJ. AJ.
Oh, Nazareno.
Festival na.
Darong Festival.
Sarok Festival.
So, expression culture is directly observed. Expression culture is policy language in festival. So, in the Philippines, we have different languages, which is mga dialects sa Visayas. Sa Cebu, we have dialect, which is Cebuano. And syempre na mga Ilocos, ay mga Ilonggo, and mga Chabacano. That are mga express and culture na directly observed. So, muna yun inyong K-4 sa expression culture is directly observed. Then, sa implicit culture, dili siya kaayo visible unless sa expression. So, ang implicit culture mo na siya ang katong ginayos na to of po and opo, which means how we respect elders, nga tawag na to sila po and opo on how we gonna respect them. O na ang implicit ka ng dili kayo na to makita. Next is the culture is a social because culture is a social. Culture is a social because it is the product of behavior. Culture does not exist in isolation. It is a product of society. Culture is called social because it creates and developing through interactions among people. Example, celebrating fiesta. Di ba mo celebrate ang fiesta kaya ang tanan tao na sa inyong barangay o sa inyong lungsod kay gather tanan para mo celebrate sa inyo ang mga culture nga naandan, which is kanang mga every plus ito sa Lasyon o Sarok, every common na siya gina-celebrate every February. That's mo na ang culture is a social kay tanan tao sa Konsolasyon magtipon para celebrate ang atuang Sarok Festival. One ang example sa cultural is a social. Next is a cultural barriers from the society to society. This means cultural is not the same everywhere. Each experience which shapes its culture. This is why different countries or groups have different costume beliefs and ways of living. So, ang example ani is, di ba, when we talk to our elders, we casually respect them with mano po, saying yes and no po, and some other people bow them to show the respect. But in the US, casually na nila gina-respect nila ang elders. Like, gina-agyan na nila, dili sila kadagaling, wala sila mga emotional intelligence gali. Dili sila, as a Filipino ba, baka feel taong mga hurt feelings, unlike nila. Next is cultural is not something that an individual alone can possess. It means cultural is shared by member of a group. No one culture are alone. Values, traditions, and beliefs are passed in practice together by people in society, making them feel connected and united. Example, belief about respect, families, values, and traditions are shared among Filipinos, not practiced by only one person. So it means, dili siya practice sa usa na katao. Yung practice siya sa tanan tao nga imuhang pangkuyo. For example, sa iyong family. Naamoy inyo ang culture. Like for example, mag-family gathering mo every December. Mahal na siya, pasok siya cultural is not something that an individual alone. Next is cultural is learned. It means, gilin mo siya gi-learn from kanang inward. Gi-learn mo siya from process by process. Wala na siya kanang pagdako ni mo, diba, ginagawa na dahil na sa mga parents nga mag-bless, bisa 1 month pa lang ta, or 10 months pa lang ta, or 1 year old pa lang ta, dito doon na ta mag-bless, pausap mag-yes and opo. Sa ito ang mga elders, wala siya, ang cultural is not learned. Dapat ma-learn na siya by process. And next is cultural is transmitted among members by Bible.
So, it's not created by one person alone. Instead, it's handed down from one generation to the next generation, or given sa mga parents, mga grandparents, or even sa community. These cultural ways are learned by person from person. So, ipasa-pasa na siya. For example,
The universalism, in contrast with relativism, universalism emphasizes universal truths that should be defended regardless of cultural differences.